What if I told you the story of the prodigal son isn't primarily about the younger son, but about the heart of the father? Many discover they've been reading Luke 15 the wrong way. We're going to look at one of the greatest stories Jesus ever told, focusing on the heart of the father. The younger son isn't the main character, and the elder son isn't the villain. The hero is someone we've overlooked, the father. The shocking reality is that you can be far from the Father while living in the Father's house, or near the Father while your heart is miles away. Until you understand the Father, you will never understand the sons. Every human being wants freedom. Freedom to choose, to decide, to live life on our own terms. The cry of humanity has always been, "Let me live my own life." The younger son saw control and limitations in his father's house, but the father saw protection and safety. How often do we interpret God's love as restriction or mistake divine protection for oppression? Proverbs says, "Trust in the Lord with all your heart, and lean not on your own understanding." Yet, trusting our own understanding more than God's wisdom is the birthplace of rebellion. Imagine the dangerous illusion of independence. The devil advertises freedom, excitement, and pleasure, but hides the consequences, chains, and emptiness. When the younger son left, with his inheritance loaded and his heart racing, he shouted, "Freedom! No rules, no accountability, no father." But the road away from the father always looks better at the beginning than at the end. The deception is freedom. Without wisdom becomes bondage. Freedom without truth becomes destruction. Freedom without God becomes slavery. Sin always promises more than it can deliver. The Bible says he wasted everything. Famine came and revealed his problem, exposing his weakness. The prince became a beggar, feeding pigs. He lost strength, joy, and purpose without noticing. One of the most heartbreaking parts is what he left behind: his father's wisdom, counsel, and guidance. Blessings without wisdom become burdens. Resources without character become destruction. God wants to teach you because the lesson changes your life. Then comes one of the most powerful statements. He came to himself. Sin takes you away from yourself, but thank God for awakening moments. He finally remembered, "I have a father." Changed thinking always precedes changed living. The son is returning home, broken and ashamed, expecting judgment. But something incredible happens at the climax of the story. The father sees him from afar. He had been watching, waiting, and hoping. The son was broken, ashamed, dirty, and humiliated, rehearsing his apology, expecting punishment or rejection. He thought he was searching for the father. The Bible says the father ran. Kings didn't run, but love ran. Mercy ran. Grace ran. The father had been searching for him all along. God is looking for a reason to restore you, not reject you. Here is the shocking revelation where most people stop reading. Jesus didn't stop because there was another lost son, the elder brother. He never left home, never wasted money, but his heart was just as far from the father. The younger son was rebellious. The elder was self-righteous. Both were lost. Jesus showed us that both sons needed grace. One needed forgiveness for his rebellion, and the other needed humility for his self-righteousness. The hero is the father. He loved the rebel and the religious. He ran to the broken and went out to the bitter. God's love is not earned, it is received. The father never stopped loving either son. He loves the person who wandered away and the person sitting in church. This is exactly who God is. Jesus leaves the story open-ended because you are supposed to finish it. The invitation remains open. Will you come home? The Father is still watching, waiting, and calling. If this message has touched your heart, take a moment to pray right now. Ask the Father to restore your relationship with Him. Like, subscribe, and share this message with someone who needs to know that the Father is still waiting. God bless you.